Let me show you the first thing you do when you hop in a Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Let's see. Yes, it can. It sounds so freaking good too. Oh my gosh. I did this with the RT. The Scat Pack brings this to an entire new level. Will do the job for us as well. Here we go. Oh my gosh. The Dodge Charger Scat Pack, this is a wide body too, so it has much better handling than a regular narrow body Charger. You get 305s in the back for your tires, and that just allows you to absolutely send this car. Look at what we have just done. Let's do a 3,300 RPM launch in this thing as soon as we can get a straightaway and come to a stop here. This is one of the most fun cars I think I've ever driven. I've driven faster cars, but this one is just an absolute blast. We don't have a big straightaway here, but still, let's do it. Ready? Oh, it's so good. It's so good. I am incredibly impressed with how well this car can handle, and it's not just the handling, it's the ability to get loose if you want it to. So it grips when you need it to, it gets loose when you want it to, and it pulls so unbelievably hard. Wow. I believe everything for this drive is set up in track mode. Yes, it is. And we got another opportunity to do a hard launch in this thing. Oh, this does not get old. Ready? Mopar fans, I owe you an apology. I've never said these cars are bad, but oh my gosh, anyone that hates, I'm sorry you have not driven one, because this thing is so unique. It's so playful, it's so rowdy, it's so much fun to drive. Do you really need a Hellcat? I understand why you'd buy one, especially if you have infinite money, but this thing, oh, you do not need more than this. You really don't. It gives you everything you could possibly want in a true American muscle car. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Imagine owning this car and not driving it like this. Oh my gosh. Wow. I don't think I've ever felt more alive in my entire life. I don't know if it's just the wide body that really made this so much better in handling. It's a fact that the wide body provides much better handling than the narrow body, but this is a huge step up in terms of cornering ability from the Challenger Scat Pack I drove, narrow body, as well as the Dodge Charger RT, which is of course a narrow body. This thing is a complete package of everything you need. The looks, the sound, the handling, the acceleration. Now we can go. And it's just wormy enough. It's not too scary, but that's part of the fun. That's really what I mean when I say this car is so playful. Oh, it's so good. Let me live this life forever. Have you ever been in some moment where you're like, if only I could play this on repeat for eternity? I think this would be it right here. Wow. And especially after getting out of the RT, I expect it to shift much sooner than it actually does. The thing just keeps pulling. It shifts so fast. And oh, the shifts even give you a nice kick back into your seat as well. Man, can this thing not lose grip? Dodge Charger Scat Pack, you've done it, especially the wide body. Oh my gosh, any of you guys that own this car, good purchase, good purchase. Dodge is asking a lot for these cars nowadays, but it has a lot to offer, so I can understand why that is. Wow, let me know what you guys think about this. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and check out the other reviews I've done on other cars as well. Love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!